Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant updating problem. First click here and then open Task Manager. First you have to make sure that Valorant isn't running in your background, so just close all the applications that is related to Valorant, like right client, right click on it and in task, and keep scrolling down. You have to look for Valorant or any other application that is related to it and close it, and after that click here and go apps and features, and after that type here Vanguard and then uninstall it, and after that just try again, click here and it will ask you to, you will find here install, it will ask you to install Vanguard, so just install it and then wait a few seconds, and after Vanguard is installed all you have to do, it will start automatically updating Valorant, and I hope that can help you. And if that doesn't fix your problem, then go to control panel, go to view network status and tasks, and then click change adapter settings. If you are using internet cable, just right click on this one and then click disable, and wait a few seconds and enable it again. And if you're using Wi-Fi, all you have to do just turn it off from the option that you will find here. You will find it here as an icon, and that's it. Then try again, and I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.